Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So, Kai and all my people have some things to say about Blamdem and Nicki Minaj. So I don't know where Blamdem go say and rub her the wrong way. I don't know say this a girl yeah, once she start playing she not done. You know what I mean? So me I gonna make her hear what she have to say and me I tell you no. Me sometime when she a cuss me I feel like say yo, if she ever hold them person and who she a cuss upon the road or somewhere, you know what I mean? A problem for that the person there. To how she go on when she cuss, you know what I mean? Like definitely she's a warrior. That me know for sure. You see me? If she hold somebody she a go deal with them wicked. So me I gonna make her hear what she have to say about Blamdem cause you say oh Blamdem look and tiny and fine. If she ever hold him to her ass, him broke up. So me have that for share with other people. But also have Dyema. You see me I say, cause it like Dyema mother and somebody in a some vibes and Dyema run out different her mother and something so me I gonna share that with Uno. Alright, so me did share a video with Uno with RT and this youth our name Mal something in that bear, Malbear, something like that. See? I know me can't pronounce his name properly. But yeah, me share a video with him and me share a video with RT some money argument, RT give him some money to deal with the matter, but it's like you would say him hold on upon the money, but him must say the money tie up, you know what I mean? So me I go share a live you know where him depend and RT depend the live and boy my people it reached to a different level you know cause RT I say him want him money and if him not get him money what go happen. So me I go share that we do know my people, you know what I mean? And also Rosealee, you see me? Address World Dawg. You see me I say because World Dawg talk yesterday about the Rosealee and him situation, how them kick off certain way and whatever. You know what I mean? Him talk about it yesterday. You see me? So Rosealee respond last night. And also we have Blamdem people. Blamdem I deal with World Dawg and we might respond to some of the things them where World Dawg I say. You know what I mean? Cause World Dawg I say boy, you know what I mean? Him no wait name there. Him not afraid of them and them something there and Ray and Blamdem I say yo fool, when you see we in the streets I down in the ground you have to look. You can't look pan with whatever. You see me I say that are some of the things them will Blamdem I say. So we're gonna kick it off my people and maybe add more as we go along.
Blood clot here now you tell me about patient. Eh? 3 blood clot month turn in a 1 year. Now 3 months to tell me say for wait for. So I turn in a 1 year now. Yo don't fuck up youth. Don't fuck up.
Beg you.
I'm a Somali off your place in the Malabre. I don't work with a Somali no dog. I tell us something no bro. I don't work with a Somali no bro.
Me say me can't talk you.
So you sit down over there Somali like you get joke in the dog. Nothing no bumbo clad funny in a youth. Are we have Somali about?
Yo, me say you get me on the phone now. Me can't talk.
What you say?
Alright, brother. Me don't tell you a thing once, me not gonna repeat myself, me not have to explain myself to no man, brother. First and foremost, me tell you a thing too. Insurance no walking at the streets, brother. You not give me no money we insured. So just know say you deal with a real one, we are gonna make you get your things. But you say patience.
Oh, so you tell me say my money no insured, so that means that me can't lose my money.
Oh you mean no insurance no depend this, brother. Me don't your street scored, you know. Yeah, but you deal with a real one. We are gonna make sure.
Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something, Malabre. Let me tell you something, youth. You see, if me not get my money, youth, a straight badness may deal with. Yeah, if me not get my money, a straight badness may deal with.
Response to your badness. You can't tell me nothing about no badness.
You can't tell man money and the Somali dog. Or you can tell man money and the Somali and tell man about no bumbo clot insurance on upon this. I must prank.
No, but
yeah,
me show you.
I must prank this to blood clot.
Me show you.
I must prank. I have to prank this.
Listen, man. Listen, them not show you at the end of the day. Say your food safe, dog. Me not tell you that.
Me no want hear nothing. Me want see vehicle in parking and my blood clot yard. You tell me say vehicle go already in a 3 months.
You have buy a vehicle.
You don't worry about that. You don't worry if me a bumbo clot buy a vehicle. Me need the vehicle in my blood clot. Yeah.
You can't
tell people about how me come a social media with business.
What do you mean?
Me not text you no answer. It's a read me message them you no answer.
What me answer for? Me don't tell you a thing already. Me don't tell you a thing already, bad man. What me answer for? What for what need?
Well, like this. I must some blood clot joke thing this. I must prank.
What kind of blood clot joke thing?
Yeah, I must prank. Cause me you couldn't talk how long. If you notice it, brother, me you couldn't talk how long, my lab. You don't have something concrete to give me like right now. You can't tell me say next month, you can't tell me say next week, you can't tell me nothing, brother. Tell me bumper clot money out of me and you.
How you don't know see it tomorrow? How you don't know see it tomorrow? Oh, you don't know see it tomorrow. At that the situation, you know. 20, hey, let me tell you this. A man can't have in one basket and carry come put your number the foot. So I don't know why I make nice boat so. I don't know what the blood.
You know what? My basket. So. You don't care if I one basket or what. My blood clot basket. My basket. I see if I have someone to come to get up money.
Let me tell you this, man. I mean, introduce you to the thing where I go and you don't even have no link like that figure blood clot. And I can't tell man about badness all this in there, brother.
Say me no link for do. What me no link for do?
Brother, you not have no buy a fee vehicle. Now you tell me say you have to go look market, bro.
You don't need for bumbo clot know about that, brother. Me want me things in my yard. You know me bumbo clot yard. Me want me things in. You tell me about. What tell me about?
The man and name of
me them park up in my yard and rotten down. You lock up them door there.
Hey, all you can tell man about badness. You know who name Ray Rico?
A government badness me deal with.
Yeah, tell me about badness. You know who name Ray Rico?
You don't need to know who name Ray Rico.
We live on the upper hole. We won about 3 years now.
One thing me not like. Me not like how you smile. One thing me not like. Me not like how you smile. You have me things and you laugh. Smile.
Me not have to laugh. What you want me to go do?
Pussy. I look for me and smile. Me not your girl. I know man me I look over.
I comment section me I read.
Yeah, blood clot look for me like. I know man me come for look. Yeah, smile like say. I want
me not deal with nothing, you can't tell me nothing under no comment section about deal with thing. Deal with which blood clotting. And the boy I can't tell me about badness. A rare Rico thing there right now. Big chop. Since as I saw you want to feel, me have to soothe your feeling. Me have to soothe your feeling. Big chop. Since as you know here say go and wait and go and have patience. Since as a day say you want to carry a big chop.
I'm patient about bumbo clot about 1 year. Big fat pussy. I can't tell man about patient. Bumbo chop.
About hey, the amount of lobster dinner boy, that more I tell you. The amount of lobster dinner boy. The amount of lobster tail boy, that me I tell you. You have to wait. Run which money, me rather run pan a treadmill first and can get $1. Since as you have bad up yourself, me come pan this with good intentions so me I can clear me name, but now I see. Now me see. Say,
up every blood clot. The only Nicki Minaj go take bumbo clot American TikTok and turn in our house. When she come over here, I try to act like she had this bumbo clot Dana and over here make Blamdem feel like he can bumbo clot walk around and call them pussy clot people. Who the fuck is that maga looking pussy hole? He look like he wants some bumbo clot porridge. If I see him, I sit down on him blood clot and stifle him. Who the fuck is that pussy hole?
Oh, okay. So, Blamdem no do or nothing then. You see me? Look like say somebody go over, they go type Blamdem and whatever. You see me? Cause me know say, if Blamdem did ever say nothing, this would have been World War III. You see me? This would have been World War III. You see me I say? So, I could hear some, how she have to say still, both him and whatever. And why she have to, black people, alright, more and what is seen. What do you feel like say like Blamdem because Nicki Minaj forget a bad name in a Jamaica because of how him stay? Because people don't like Blamdem, you know, so automatically them we are say yo Nicki Minaj what you say you know? Yeah, I can't find the word, but Nicki Minaj would have co-sign him and that's not somebody she should co-sign. Remember say Nicki Minaj and no prime minister, you know, or a religious leader or whatever, you know, she can do whatever she want, associate herself with whoever she wants. You know what I mean? But let me know one thing with people. I watch some more.
I don't know why you gonna talk about Blamdem. Who the fuck is that fucking manga sucker batty man? Eh? Who the fuck is him? The fuck you gonna talk about Blamdem? Blamdem will cool you. Who the fuck is Blamdem? Is that fucking John Gotti? Is that John Gotti boy? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is him? I don't want to come over here come tell me say me murder slick yarn and tell me say Blamdem will cool me because me not shut up cause enough to come and tell me say me slick yarn and me sit down and suck it up over some fucking maga sucker waste man. Wanna make feel like them as somebody because you know toxic favorite rapper. We can't get a fucking Grammy because she's so much of a fucking bully. Nobody respects her. But you know shit all dirty Jamaican people. We're frightened. Eh? No, come for me though. Come for me. I'm telling you say tonight you're not gonna hate me some more. And I never fucking hear. Come for me. I don't want to turn TikTok in a Mexico. In a cartel hens. Want to come antagonize people and turn over here. In a bully zone. Everybody wanna see. We don't want to go and tear down and call them pussy clad people. I'm telling you this, as much as me used to listen to that mad music, me not afraid of nobody. I don't afraid of no pussy clad body. And telling Manga boy say me want boil some porridge game. Cause he look suck out and dry out. He want look up porridge in his system. He want some porridge. Only need to boil some porridge game. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't bother nobody at all. Leave me alone. Leave me. Nicki Minaj is a fucking bully. 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 There, I said it. Me telling you say, you not gonna like me after tonight, you know. I mean, go upset, you know, after blood clot tonight. What the fuck gonna come up and talk about Blamdem? And because Blamdem and Nicki Minaj upon live, you know, make it look like say Blamdem is this powerful figure and this immortal person, and I'm not supposed to go curl up in a corner because you know want to come accuse me of a murder when I have nothing to do with me? Eh? Eh? Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. I see the same girl here too, where did I spread the rumor, where they actually did that spread the rumor, the same girl where they name social blog. And remember the girl where did I spread the rumor? She this, you know? But say, you see? What me I talk about? You see what me I talk about though? You see what me I talk about though? You see what me I talk about? Yes, Charm. Charm, your boss don't have nowhere else to be. He's a fucking low life. He don't have a job. Him not have nowhere else to be. Of course, him a go there here, so. Of course, him a go there here, so. Money need to understand, say, I don't bow down to nobody at all, and a blood clot body can't call me down. So when me dip on my platform, don't come tell me about Blamdem, cause me no know bumbo clot Blamdem from nowhere. I'm not afraid of Blamdem. Me not care who want the pan in pussy clot life and who want this and that and that. That have nothing to do with me. You hear me say? That has nothing at all to do with me. Every day me dip on my platform, when you come and dip on blood clot me. Leave me alone. I don't care for no screen recording. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's that simple. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I never watched the movie. And when I was here the night, cause what I hear is that them have group chat where them go around and they make fake pages and them go around and them antagonize people because they like the toxicness that happens on TikTok, right? So what I hear is that that's what they do. So after.
Alright, so right here, so we move on to say still my people, me can safely say boy Blamdem never trouble she. You know what I mean? Blamdem never call her name. So she know because of the people them in our comment section go say something about him. So here what me I go say now, if Blamdem come out and say nothing about her this or anything, she can't say nothing about it. She can't feel no way because guess what? She call him name first. So you can't call a person name or say something about a person and then when them respond you feel some type of way because she come give her opinion on Nicki Minaj and Blamdem also, you know, because of what the comments say, you know. So me know say Blamdem I go say something back. But yeah, we're gonna end it right here, some people. We're gonna make sure finish our sentence and then we move on to the next.
Him so him a say me say when me a say so oh you unfollow me and you want to do some eat for what you do me? Who you analyze for me with belly and yam for me? What you do me? What you do to me if you walk at people say me not like you? Me not understand this. Why you do me? Why you do me? For you walk at people say me not like you. What you do me? Him say what him have say, him say what him say, me say what me say. Him say my unfollow me, you know. I'm leave him alone, you know. Oh. Me don't know the argument with the red dog chat. Him say what him say, me say what me say, and him unfollow me, I'm leave him alone. So if you come on TikTok live, I tell people say me hate you.
Hey Rose.
Hello.
What's up? You alright?
Yeah.
You playing a match?
No, that's what I declined it before.
Okay, you hot though.
Me son of your time.
You
Big like come here talk and come back
big
again.
like cold the blood.
Suck cocky girl, go suck your mad and a seminar request. Big and a seminar request. Big and a seminar request. Oh girl big like cow, you want to play match with girl.
I want that like a while ago.
Oh girl big like cow, you want to play match with girl. Go fuck with no matter. They're the biggest thing for you, that's no one me tell you no. Me not play no match. Me select a few candy, me so come, I go try something and come back, girl. I carry them and triple them and top of my pay. I'm not play with all I know.
Alright, later.
What do me buy? Like I'm say no match after me because I'm done. But you big like how? Go suck your mother, girl. Come with me now, I'm gonna make no money off of my blood clot name me have. You know, make no money off of my name when me have fire. None. World dog, come here. Turn on that little boy.
Me and you not have nothing. You say what you are say. Me and you not have nothing. You say what you are say, me say what me I say, you unfollow me. Stop walk and tell people about people hate this and people hate that and people hate this and people hate that. Are you and Blamdem in a store from the get-go? If you come tell Blam says Blamdem when you don't talk to me, I'm gonna leave you alone. Come here, big woman, I'm in a search of friendship. Tell people them that. The time you take a come in a bar fire like that, I want to tell people say triple give me things. Come know your mouth bad. You can't throw no shit for me. Triple supposed to give me things because me and our friend and she have it can't give me. A long time I know her. I know a man before me know I never this a man yet. Now I'm friend them come and them love me, them always give me things. Them I'm not coming with nothing. So when I walk come short chairs and not about TikTok boss and a yellow triple get things. You can't throw no shit for me. I'm never come on TikTok come argue with you. You have me because me I play with Blamdem. I have to talk about disrespect. Like I don't want to get disrespect by you. You want to get disrespect by you. Get a cup of ice. The world will get disrespect by you. And when you stop, I got me say. The world will get disrespect by you when you stop get it. I got me say. You say you unfollow me, leave you alone. Me mind a world like you told we are big people. You cannot choose my company and I cannot choose your one. I don't know Blamdem from nowhere. I never got foreign yet. I know I'm Blamdem live in Florida. Blamdem know you and you know him. When the one of them used to say, come here, miss, we have kiss your teeth, the wrong place you there. When the one of them used to say 6, me never did it. So when you and Blamdem in an argument, why you think me have the need for the stuff about the argument? I never buy the argument yet, I've never had tweet. I never go on your side, I've never go on film side yet. And then Blamdem say, me and Jayden and him chat you, I want to on TikTok to chat about. I don't know nothing about I don't know Blamdem. Me know when you come on TikTok too much word that come throw shit like you're a man. And that me not like with you. Stop sitting around in the nerve to me don't eat again, never do me nothing yet. If you tell me go ring out my mother, I will for them on TikTok, tell me go ring out my mother, I'm still chat up to them. Because I know years a tragedy. Me know why you send a message to me. Me not hear till you have done nothing at all to me. Use no threat to me, no way. Me meet you after say party with hug your wife. And you see me a party with Blamdem, you and Blamdem and a friend. You start to show your shades. You unfollow me, me leave you alone. I mean, I have not much to say. Me can't ever going at this. I'm going at that. Anything at all what Triple want give me, Triple supposed to give me and her friend. I showed my friends also. You can't tell me nothing for me, I'm shame for you. Word dog, me not in an argument with you and Blamdem in a story. You stop call my name, I'm not busy with you. I don't business with you, I'm not going to put my mouth in it. You understand? I hope a time them tear we down, you will know the code. Blamdem same done. Me know where I got up this morning, yeah. A rosealee eat me. Me know where me sit down and eat you far. What you done to me, you never hurt none of my pity them. Stop walking and spread propaganda and rumors. I don't hate you, sir. I have nothing against you, sir. I only always insecure and want to chattings with people. I feel like I take everything on TikTok serious. You have never met me have two.
Alright, my people, me ask you this, right? Does anybody on TikTok or anybody on TikTok obligation as to like even the real Dawg Blamdem situation if exit the live if a person disrespect a next person, like Blamdem for instance, disrespecting Real Dawg, do you feel that the TikTokers them will match with Blamdem for exit whenever him a this a person on him live? Tell me what you think in the comment section, because you are going TikTok there for everybody and everybody have them own people with them not good with. So you tell me say if me not good with a person, you not feel good with him, or you feel come off a live if he might bring me down. Me not feel say anybody fi take anything like that personal if a person dep on a live with a person that bring you down, because there's a mute button, you know, there's a button where them can press and it mute the people them over for them side from hearing what the person where them a match with I say. You understand? So me see Real Dawg pan a live and him a big up Miss Triple, Ivany, Otto, I mean, remember who else. Seeing because when Blamdem they on live and I disrespect them, I disrespect him, them jump the live. You see me? So it look like the Rosealee never jumped the live, or because Rosealee play too much with Blamdem, why Real Dawg have that the issue with the there with she. But let me know what you think. We'll watch some more.
For the message in a Real Dawg. Me have two pitney and you have never done no harm to them. So when me could have hate you for? No, that more ask you. See a big man like you must stop it. Me have two pitney you have done them no harm. So why me would I hate you? Why would I hate you? Where do I pin them? Nothing at all. Me play too much with Blamdem. Me play too much with Blamdem and you see that and find out. Blamdem a troll you. And you decide so you cut me off and fine. Me don't have a problem with that. Because if me and a friend I'm gonna talk to somebody where you not talk to at the moment. If you and Blamdem was friend, I mean, I talk to him, you wouldn't have the problem. But you and Blamdem, my friend, you and Blamdem, I'm a friend, I talk to him. That is your problem. It's so you stay, and it's long till you stay, so. I know how you stay. We all know how each other stay. That don't mean that me hate you. You unfollow me, you go your ways, I'm going to make you go on. So what about the argument for? They don't know Real Dawg stay. And because me and Blamdem would play too much and Blamdem would say certain things to me. He might use that as a weapon because I want to see me with Blamdem. And so I not do him rules and go for him. He man follow me, no him want to tell TikTok say me hate him. No what kind of sense that make. I'm Red Bull, yeah, alright. When me around for number one, y'all could have called and say give me a strength. Because you're a platform thing, I was long and play too much. What can I eat before you do me something? But I don't sound to stay. When me around for number one, you could have called. Throw me apart with Blamdem now. You cut me off for your one. I'm going to make a one where you have a Real Dawg. Yeah? I don't know we are big people. When me seems like me not have nothing. At Jamaica, I live them can rob me at any time. I want to play like me not have nothing. Because I not live in a fear. I want to walk with my foot them dirty. Because I not walk and live in a fear. I come feel like say me have the world. I want to come take it from me. That's why I walk and my foot them dirty every day. But walk come and put them dirty because they look at children and don't want to come to the family. So when them see me be dirty, they know so she dirty, she don't have nothing. Me not have nothing against you. You unfollow me unfollow back and make it go away, I go simple. You say you go unfollow me and Jayden will say what I have to do with we. We are trouble you know. Who live for your name over here? Know your friend? Word that we are trouble you know. Who live for you over? Who live for you? Who live for you every day over your friend? Them say only your friend can know your secret. So only who can reveal me. Now mix up in your dirty argument with you and your friend. It's just that. It's just that. You shouldn't show him mama film but tell about your wife. But remember the tone of mouth bad. Because you're not innocent in our action. Don't think me like you show your mother film but tell about your wife and show a picture. You show your mother picture film but tell about your wife and show where you live. But you're not innocent, your mouth bad. Hello, all. Oh, let's go talk to me. I'm there from work, you know. Miss, nobody broke down the chair because the chair I dropped down. Nobody broke it down. How long you never want to chat until you see me come here, so. I look for $5. Remember one look all the same. What top shot. Me don't want to content a blood clot. Lisa, me beg you one lion. I want lion, me beg you Lisa. Me no come for discuss no whole long story about people and them crisis. Me come for say my 2 parts, I'm done. Me no want roll that so long as I say me hate him because me no have time for that. And him know that. Me no hold a grudge against him, me no hold on attack against him. And follow me follow and follow him back and make him go about him business. Simple. And you first come in a story with me never in a none with you. Me never had her, me never look on you until I say you're black pink already. Me over here fight for gifsters. Me like your tricks. Me over here fight for gifsters. When Blamdem talk about you, me keep my mouth shut. Me always try, me never add on tweet yet. Check the screen account, I never add on tweet yet. Me no fuck.
Well, me personally, from the person now disrespect you or join in with the person I say about you, me don't see the harm in that big man thing. Because TikTok you gonna meet up on every kind of people. You understand what I say? And if you cut off a person because them and a next person in a vibes where you know involved in that not really necessary. Them have to look through that and say, yo, that the person they don't have no control over the next person. And that person don't want to get themselves involved in a whatever. Because maybe I go think say the person fear tell Blamdem or rosealee fear tell Blamdem say, yo, don't offer that or don't do that on the live when me there. Wait. No. TikTok is run by entertainment. Enough people entertain in a different way. All I wanna see Blamdem do, that's entertainment because the people are entertained, although a serious thing to our next person. You understand? But me don't feel like World Dawg we have an issue with rosealee. That I just me still, but me don't want to think. I want someone.
Boy, I don't want nobody come for beg. Kill some of the dead pan TikTok me care about no. I saw me come for beg. What you want make now? What you want get pay and not be my. What you get pay is not my problem either. I come to look something for myself. You understand? Me not sit down and fight against you, me not push out. You and Blamdem in a store where me for say. You know Blamdem, you used to par. Yeah? You and Blamdem and Butter and the one of them is the blood clapper. So when someone know what you want me to come put my mouth night, you can't trick me one year. I'm not getting involved in no friend. The whole of live at Florida. Me live at Jamaica. It's so far that day. Florida, Jamaica. Now send a message to me. But I want to black that page about is the application. You know when you send a message to me. Because I not come for you, come sit down and talk about. When me with class, everybody, me not take me for class, if you tell them to send a message to me. Don't send me no message. Yeah. Boy, I tell them to come up and TikTok and them disrespect me too much. I'm making no something now come off for ya. And then you come to a term say me make enough money when me can sit down and relax. For your time. Me not make enough money yet. I don't know what people tell me, say what you say. You can't tell big man for me to come out because of disrespect. For me start TikTok now, them a diss me up until now. Say all of the time when they used to sit down and diss me, why I got change it now? If me leave, them go say them finally can't come because I'm gone. I must want somebody on social media. Me say them a class, now bring me down get a triple. And probably you. And Swissley and Rebel. And Perry. And the foreign rank of them. Over the Jamaican side, me blood clot. So I'm for leave it give them. Me not leave it give them. Every minute me a pip in a saga. And Candy. Who not bring me down? I want them bring me down to the tomorrow you see me and them play a match. Because I know it's a strategy. I know what is them I'll me dumb. But people say on social media can't victimize me. One thing everybody around them, I follow his views and kinds. So all me for make that let me stop come here. I followers views and kind. All of them. The whole of them and that them a run down. So me for make them all me for make them run me. I mean no so me still have people in my farm of my finger want see me. If me miss if a tree them ask me what do me. That's me at work. Yeah, till I have to circle me and text my phone. Till I have to circle me. You don't get them what they want. But they have a blood become a 95 up. Come suck home all but what a blood clot share with 2 pipe iron. But now I mean none of the big old girl take me over TikTok. I saw me wrong to put them not well like you. Kind of only can't put smile on them face when them come from a busy day. Some of them boring. Some of them boring. Roll down for glass I'm still have it. Yeah. Roll down for glass say you and Swissley still have it. If a glad say you and Sicily still have it, I will always have it. Because 95% them pan tick and them tear the whole with down. Because them want something we have. So don't come tell me to leave my work. I got me vexed about. I don't know where you talk about coming to visit with you and Blamdem come to live in Florida. Out that body lick your man. Demons and the forces of darkness. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. From a platform and turn her face underneath. Eh? Me I tell them because them don't know. Oh, me slung on the piece of old couch. Oh, me slung on one charger. Yeah. Jakes fix your hole and your rotten throat back. Where dog will have it? We have something one of them not have. So if you want them get rid of you, we see them bring you down. Me say them try for bring, me say them bring you down. Try for bring down. You need try for bring on your little son. Cause them a try get to you and you never stop coming, so why me for come? Them class me, them class when me live, them class my them class my woman, them class my before and I'm still blood clad. Motherfucking hair. What am I gonna do about that? For you in a media business, you don't know the blood clot algorithm will go. One thing you know.
Alright, so now here Rosalie say, okay, you know how the algorithm work. You understand? It's a blessing and a curse. Because at the end of the day, nobody want nobody to talk negatively about them on purpose. If them can avoid people talking negatively about them, they would. You understand? But them want the publicity. So that's why I say it's a blessing and a curse. Because Blamdem calling up World Dog name, yeah, him a go trend. People a go, when you know him, me just a say this, people when you know him, I go look up who is World Dog. You understand me I say? So right there, so that I blessing part that. But when them go look him up, you know, and see negative things about him, that they are the curse part. You understand? So, but these personalities on the internet, them say, not even these personalities, people where make them money in a media, whether entertainment or whatever, as long as them in the media, them say no publicity is bad. You understand? So, make we listen some more Rosalie and some people. Remember, we have more to cover.
Them call up a name and stay relevant as fuck. Let them call my me, no care. Me ain't have nothing, sir. Me will never have nothing. So if you want to have a bit of your heart and want a bittersweet days with it, like your business. You ain't gonna go talk about that. Me ain't have nothing. You ain't follow me. Me ain't follow you, but make you go on your ways. Simple. Over here, knock, but you never not drag a name. And one thing me say, the crowd of people who used to follow who want to give the upper break them gone somewhere else, and it's just the truth. Me not busy as Swissly, me say dry up with me, you know. All Swiss so me not do nothing dry up with me. All Swiss so my brother, me not do nothing at all, me so no dry up. We don't dry up like when sun catch Kelly and Pan, Kiata sell down a market. It quail up, and me not do nothing. I'm leaving, I don't come here come argue, and I don't come here come fight, and I don't come here come cuss. I read between the life and I leave, you know. I leave, you know. I don't come here come ride in the back. I don't come here come eye, you know. When Blamdem talk about blood clot, you know, I don't even try to strengthen the argument. I never try to strengthen the argument. I don't try to say even what they man, I say, oh, I don't want to cuss for that. I say, Blamdem, go ahead, you know. I guess.
Yeah.
You want 5,000 of a sucker and make him come out.
Yeah.
You want 20? You want 20,000?
Yeah. No.
That make Jake's out. GX! You want more so you can't come out. GX! To drink come. GX! You call him GX! Up your blood clot after this. Y'all will be a mom is calling your blood clot throat back. Because we don't be able to eat it. Come on for this so good. Come on for this so good. Come send it. Like chicken McMurray out then here. I win a 014. Come on for this only for big one. When me young like Uno and shape like Uno. I have good shape. Because sell out yan down your and roll this so. And I rock my baby turn the other way. Turn the other way. Rock my baby turn so. Move. They were up in our own kitchen. Yeah, come off. She got the work, come here ready like she want to bug out my blood clad work. And she knows so me come is very me sad. Me look like somebody was sad. I beg me come for beg and see the crowd, yeah? What can I sad me could have got sad? I beg me come for beg and see the crowd there. Me sad. I beg me come here for beg and see the crowd there. Me sad. People tell him what me say. I beg Rosalie come for beg. For the one. I would have probably talked to my phone. No worry if them soon gone. Who can drop will drop. No worry about who gone and no worry about who stay. No worry about who gone and no worry about who stay. Me I send out a message and then we'll catch it. World Dawg, I don't hate you. And the argument is finished coming out 12 pounds. Moving forward, can I really World Dawg will come forward? But true, never just make him know straight. So me not hate you. I have nothing against you, Swissy, and nobody. I know the internet strategy, though. I don't hate you, they don't do me shit. But two put them alive and well and kicking and gamming and gunning. Chantal, I'm broke.
Kill one. So you owe money, you owe that the money from when you not pay. So that they pay your credit right now. And nothing can take off you. You go always pay your credit, batty boy, because you owe a deal of money. And plus you heap a man them you owe around Florida. The amount of money you owe around Florida, batty boy, real lag. Eh? The amount of money you owe 10 grand and $1,000 and 5 bills. The amount of money you owe batty boy. But see you owe how much money. The amount of debts you have around Florida. Nobody not gonna like you. You owe money too much. You walk and trust out the whole of Florida. Nobody afraid don't like you. Nobody, you take out PP loan in your name, real lag. You're a cruff. You're a cruff, real lag. I like to TikTok money save you with you. That's you come a war feet and a bad mind feet, because it can't save you with you. If I ain't TikTok, you suffer. Remember me come here with my money, you know. You can't talk to me. Because me come here with my money. You want a little cloud tracer, batty boy, real lag. Because suck your mother, real lag. You everywhere you go, you walk and owe loan. You all around every dealership, you owe loan. You owe much money. Go pay back your dealership, batty boy, money where you owe. And tap, maybe SBA loan, you owe all SBA loan, PP loan, all kind of loan in your name, a big dirty cruff. Go Google Hakeem Dunbar, you see PP loan come up. When you go Google Hakeem Dunbar, PP loan, you see come up. Real lag all owe PP loan in your name. Real lag a cruff. All PP loan, real lag owe in your name. Real lag a batty boy. All PP loan you owe in your name, batty boy, because suck your mother real lag. Because you all owe PP loan in your name. What kind of man you be? Eh? Batty boy, real lag. What kind of man you be? You look a waste, batty boy. You can't talk to me, waste man. Eh? Batty boy. Eh? Remember, say you go get charged for Joe murder, you know. A liar fee, ask some up. Paper, real lag, get charged for Joe murder. Let me teach you something. I'm going to look up this here, bro. Paper, listen, I'm going to show you something. Say, real lag, go get charged for Joe murder. I'm going to Google it. Listen to me carefully. I want to listen to me carefully before me talk. And while me talk, I want to Google it. Google this in Florida. Law. I want to listen to me carefully. I'm going to show you say I'm a lie. I tell I'm not tell lie. I say I'm alone if you touch in can, you know. When me talk about world lag, you have to answer. When me talk about world lag, you have to answer. Have to answer. I'm the pan live. Man, sister me the pan live and they call. Yo, listen. Me go show this world lag crosses and he go get charged for Joe murder. Listen to me carefully. People, you see in a bomb clock America, it's when somebody gets shot, you're not supposed to take them up unless an ambulance come. Or if them are dead, you have to left them at them dead. Google that right now and beat me. If when somebody dead get shot in a Florida, you cannot bring them to hospital unless an ambulance is there. All them are dead. All if blood up chomp out of their eye and their mouth and their nose. You have to left them at them dead. The ambulance you have to make contact them up. I know what World Dawg take up Joe, him and Biggs. You see me? So him a got jail for a liar for him a look. Don't send him the money, making us suck him and go jail. Don't not send him the money. World Dawg get charged for Joe murder. World first thing, him man them shoot Joe no wrong, you know. Cause Joe first shoot him and them. When the man them Joe trail him and them, and the man them pulling a Dunkin' donut. And Joe pulling a Joe and World Dawg pulling a Dunkin' donut back at him and them. Jump out a car, fire shot in a man them car. And he know he can't shoot, and the man them bust him blood clot. The man them bust Joe blood clot, bust World Dawg blood clot, bust Biggs blood clot.
People, me not lie. You say if me could have advised World Dawg right now, me would have tell him say, leave Blamdem alone. Left him. Make him talk all him want talk, leave him alone. Because Blamdem, him love problem. You see me I say, World Dawg a problem too, you know. But Blamdem love problem. And World Dawg have a status where him not have to do certain things to get views. You see me I say, but on a level you have to defend your family and your name. You understand me? If a person go on a big interview and mention your woman in a disrespectful way, yeah, defend her by all means. You understand? But when me I look upon it, say, what are the consequences are you defending your woman? You see me I say, that this person I want, that them want. So you never give a person what them want, brethren. You understand me? But we could watch some more.
Them a run up and down. Big star fire in a ear. Big star fire choke, bro, paper. Remember say when Joe get shot, you know. Roll like them a run and the fire shot back at them pan camera. Roll like them a run and the fire shot back at them. Behind them. So all them go the shot Joe too. Cause when shot take them a run and the fire be a wire shot. So one of them wire shot go the Rajina Joe neck. Biggie that when Joe I go the roll like them shot Joe at the same time too. Cause when the man them a fire upon them, Joe them a jump, roll like a run and the fire shot back at him. Roll like a run and a fire shot back at him. I'm on big, they fire be and they call police. Be a fuck criminal. Run up and they call. Go suck your mother roll like you can't talk to me. Ask a friend them about me batty boy. Ask a friend them about me good before you talk about me batty boy. You can't knock with me batty boy. Tell me that you can't knock with me batty boy. You can't talk to me, you don't have no class to talk to me. You don't have no money like me. Me not take out car, every one of me car, me buy cash. Batty boy, me have all 100,000 out of car. One car alone, me have a cost 100,000. And me take out that. Me pay me don't pay for me car them. Batty boy, me can show me car title them. Me can show me car them and the title them. Batty boy. Why me no crash? Me sell for liquor or nothing. Tell me I tell them, me no want no car. To me stay. Me all buy a car now and sell it for liquor or nothing. Me have all 20 watches so. And me sell them and go buy back new watch. You smarty man. Batty boy real lag. You can't talk to me, come here with me money. Ask anybody I'm be about me. Me a money maker from me a youth and bad man. Run me file I'm be. No boy me run from police, me run from be. Police me run from be. Police. No boy can me run like a batty boy. Me must say Texas you want run go where going. You want run go Texas, you're afraid of Florida. Nobody afraid of no like your batty boy. I got shot. Police, come. You can't talk to me, batty boy. Lick out your mother world dog. See you in court, batty boy. A court you go. People, look at me and tell you. Me a go no, people are going to investigate. Wait, you soon see get charged with your murder. See all this when go on internet. You see all this when world dog go on internet. The police them watch him. Right now them watch him. And then go to say, nah, learn. Make sure you can pay a lawyer fee. On the top send him money, cause a lawyer fee you not give him for pay. Top send world dog money. A lawyer fee you not give money for pay. A lawyer fee you not give world dog money for pay. Make him go suck your mother. And go fight in war. Batty boy go suck your mother and go fight your war. Remember you come by and say in a war, you know. Remember say that you say on live this morning, you know. Say in a war. That he saying up. You know you when say? Say I know so war fight. Even if you give somebody address the post, then still if nothing do me, then still I'll say you. You see how man, you know your man talk out in one mouth saying a war. You know see it? Real like talk out in one mouth saying a war. So you in a war and I alone are dead. What kind of war that? I know war that a fist fight. Cause you say in a war. Remember I know me say it, you know, you say in a war, you know. Remember good real lag. Remember I know me say in a war. You say it on live this morning, you know. Me see up on live I say you in a war real lag. You say it out your own stinking dirty batty suck pussy mouth. Say you in a war. You talk out your own mouth and say you in a war. So all you in a war but you alone are dead and get shot. Your friend dead and you get shot. And nobody else not dead. I losing battle you fight. Go on a church. Go on a church, batty boy real dog. Cause losing battle you fight. The warrior claim say you fight, you not go nowhere. Losing battle you fight. Cause your friend dead and gone. You know, right now, I know me know you say man them are dead. I'll know. I set up Joe. Go on a church, batty boy. Or me say have my friend and he family, and my friend dead and he family not like me. Batty boy. Go mind him and pity them. But go mind Joe 5 pity them and go suck your mother. Go mind Joe 5 pity them. You talk about you have 2 pity or 3. You have too much. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have Joe 5 them for mine too, cause you go kill him. So you have how much youth? You have 10 youth, you have 8 youth to mine. Go mind Joe 1 them too and go suck your mother. Go mind Joe pity them too. Go mind, you have 8 pitney for mine, because you carry you go kill him. Or if your family don't like you, find a way to make them like you. Go beg pan TikTok, or go suck cock, and mind him and pitney them. So your family me can like you. Go play a part in a man pitney them life, because you carry man go kill him. Suck cock roll dog. Go play a part in a man life. Go play a part in a man pitney them life. Go be a godfather for him and pitney them. And stop compare push violence. Because you're not in enough shows or class for push violence for nobody. You're not in enough shows, you're not in enough class for bring the violence to people. You're not depend on levels to bring violence to people. Man, you have all person, not for bring violence to nobody. Because you're not in enough class to do that. You're not in enough class to bring violence to people. Because you have too much violence for you right now. Because you say you're a man in a war. You say you're a man in a war, but no, I all wanna dead. I all wanna get gunshot. I all wanna run. I all wanna run to police. Yeah, you're losing back to your fight. Go find something else too. Go dance up again, man. Till you get back and come back. Go dance and whine and Sicily till you get a come back. Go and go do that. Or go and back to church and go suck your mother. Batty boy world, like, you know, so me give you 1 hour. Me son you so 1 hour for your name. Me, we son you so 1 hour for your name, huh?
Hey, you know what me can't understand some of the time, my people, is why people look for a better life, and when them get that better life there, it's like them gone back to the same old ways. You understand? Because them live in America, and everybody will go to America and plan to stay. They must search for a better life, right? There is how much place in America where you can go. One America state them I think bigger than Jamaica. You see me I say? Yeah man, bigger than Jamaica. Right? Look here. Why you can't leave which part you're there if you find out say the people them where you're in an issue with live which part you live, and go find some place where nobody Jamaicans not there and avoid them. You know say if you get yourself in any trouble, them are saying you right come back a yard. So we don't know why people do them something here. Me don't know. We can't understand. You make me understand people. Tell me what you think in a comment.
Everything I say makes sense. I mean I talk not lie. A facts. No lie me not tell upon you. Not when me say no lie. Me can't think so 1 hour per your name and talk alone facts. Me can't think so from 11:13 right now, America time, go straight back to 12 o'clock by your name and chat be facts. Because your business all over the place. You're not nobody. Everybody in Florida 8, 9 and 10 you. Nobody in Florida don't like you. Nobody in Florida don't like you, batty boy roll dog. Cause suck your mother. Me not in no war with you, cause you eat that. Me no war eat that. Me no in no war with no eat that like you. Me not right, let me see right now, me go to spit in your face. Go to take me matic lick in your teeth with it. And you can't look boy, you're a big idiot. You're saying say murder different from troublemaker, you're a troublemaker. If I listen to Sammy Massacre say murder different from troublemaker, you're a troublemaker. You're not a bad man, you're an idiot. Suck your mother roll dog. You call up my name in the bad. Old batty boy. Suck your mother roll dog. Brawlin me I tell that. Pussy. Come and call up people name. When the rapper say how much lion. You didn't talk about you want this rapper. But you man a bum clock now and give nothing. You didn't talk about you with this man. They can't this you man. Stop calling you man name bro. Cause you man not see you bro. Stop calling you man name. If you know you man name out on the mouth bro. Me and Uno argue. We're not calling you man name for. And me and Uno have things. What the woman have to do with me and Uno? A bad mind and a bad mind. And tap chat up a big stinking mouth. But flight for Joe, batty boy. You come and talk off your mouth and threaten pops. A weak fence alone you have batty boy. A weak fence alone you can't take set pan. You can't talk to me then with the batty boy. Eh? Remember say me there tropical Friday, you looking at my face and you have to walk past batty boy. When I see we in the street, I don't in the ground look batty boy world dog. Remember that. Tell the people them say when they see we in the street, I don't in the ground look batty boy world dog. Tell the people them the truth. Don't come go like you wicked man. When I see we in the street, I don't in the ground look batty boy world dog. I I don't in the ground, you look batty boy when I see you in the street. And I done a badness, you're a fool, batty boy. I be a chat off your ball cat mouth, batty boy. Who want justice for Joe? You can't even go make him dead. And you know do not about him more than carry him and his family. Bro, paper. They said, well, dog, got Joe funeral, him and family. Run him like dog, a mask you wear. You know, he come live contacts and can't go in friend funeral. If Joe family no want to see him, Joe family, he said style him come with now. They threaten people. I said styling go do. But threaten man and talk bad about man and man wall him and bust him bum bucklat. They talk about bad. You hear me talk off him out about pussy. Wait till soon in the road. Batty boy, one on go on a life. The chat up in big stinking suckud mouth. The chat up in mouth and they bad up himself and the man them. And when the man them hold him in the street, a different thing. The man them bore him up.
So look more in the evening me circle no. I beg chat home man. You got
Mommy. Mommy!
I want to gather some gloves for tomorrow. Chat me mommy a rank. Me a look some gloves for tomorrow. 3 rows chat. Some gloves me a look for tomorrow. Chat me a rank. Me a try gather some gloves. Thank you no cute. Me can't see that. Over your phone. Chat me about the light goal. It look like.
Mommy, come! Come and take your ass so make him go and come.
Let me come back to the king.
No girl can ramp with you. No girl. No girl a kill. No blood clot girl boy you can ramp. No girl. No tie. No come.
We have
Mommy come, can't. He can't. Mommy come. Cause I can't hear him attack. So come.
Kill off bumbo clot, who can kill off? No girl can run with the boy. No girl can't, I don't want me blood clot strip. No girl can run with the boy. No girl can run with the boy. No girl. Come mommy, come.
Chat. Dyema watch over your good mother.
Because I the blood clot.
So they want trouble with the woman. Yeah, Dyema yard festive in the early morning. You chat, focus.
I'm glad. Now I have to go keep back to my business. I'm shoot. That's all over here. Listen to my business and I shoot.
Chat, when Dyema chipping her mad while ago, Dyema take off the glass. Cause you can't look intelligent at cuss, you know.
No. Sure. Body over blood clot, yeah. Me no want to go strip this morning, you know. So better you come in. You boss, me not be cussing my mother, you know. Me not be cussing.
Mouth bad.
Bad. But that should be saying that I am over where so. Say my pass. Say my pass. Our woman and him man. Say my pass, my was sweetie. Me don't want to chopping me in blood clot this morning.
Never hear no funny car and so many around yet.
My man trouble you for you trouble him. I better say, I want to know what.
Alright.
But I can't trouble you saying because when me and you start from people at 40 days and 40 nights. But with blood clot, you know. Because I don't want to walk and trouble you, you know. Because we over here we turn upside down that way. Tell them to ramp it about you, you know. Because the ugly blood clot, scarecrow looking dirty girl and I want me come out. And nobody want to start, no. No, because if you go chip check, go see and pass a trouble you. She can't go walk yourself in a piece. And when me a trouble girl, me throw water. You know go walk yourself. So you better not bother with you, you know. You better not bother with you because I say me no want fight and cut to my birthday gone, you know, man. You can't answer that, man. You can't keep me somewhere weird. You can't go to the scale, but today you me
investigate. People tell him say people.
Me no want nobody around video because you see we never come trouble you, you know, and then what's me head mad. Eh? I hope when you have trouble them, no say nothing.
I can't get 8 rows. Try 3 more rows, 3 more rows. 3 different people with 3 rows.
So me no see come and investigate on my blacklist. I lie my tell.
I give badge, me never know nothing about badge and business. Me know something about
people. I mean I want no girl, me have to strip over here. Alright. No want no black strip over here.
I don't know nothing about the app.
I mean I want no girl trouble no. Because me no want to take off my clothes. Dirty nasty so girl. Ease up, you know. Before me line up me a back last stone for your blood, girl. Ease up. Put me at work, you know.